Welcome to our deep dive into the world of email marketing automation. Today, we'll explore the key aspects that can transform your email campaigns and drive your business forward. Now, you might be thinking, Neil, why should I care about email marketing automation? Well, let me tell you, in today's digital landscape, it's not enough to just send out generic emails and hope for the best. You need to be strategic, you need to be targeted, and most importantly, you need to automate. Email marketing automation allows you to build deeper relationships with your audience by delivering the right message at the right time. It helps you nurture leads, drive conversions, and ultimately boost your bottom line. So buckle up and get ready to take your email marketing game to the next level. One of the biggest benefits of email marketing automation is increased efficiency. Think about all those repetitive tasks you do manually every day, sending welcome emails, segmenting lists, scheduling campaigns. It's time-consuming, right? Well, with automation, you can kiss those tedious tasks goodbye. Imagine freeing up hours of your time each week, time you can now invest in more strategic activities like crafting compelling content or analyzing your campaign data. And it's not just about saving time, automation also reduces the risk of human error. We've all been there, accidentally sending an email to the wrong list or forgetting to schedule that crucial follow-up. These mistakes can be costly, but automation eliminates those risks. By automating your email marketing, you empower your team to work smarter, not harder. They can focus on the creative and strategic aspects of marketing, the stuff that really moves the needle for your business. Remember, time is your most valuable asset. Don't waste it on tasks that can be easily automated. Let technology do the heavy lifting so you can focus on what matters most, on growing your business. Now, you might be wondering, what specific tasks can I actually automate? First impressions matter. In the world of email marketing, your welcome email is your chance to make a great one. These automated emails are sent to new subscribers or customers, welcoming them to your brand and setting the tone for your relationship. A well-crafted welcome email can have a significant impact on customer retention. It's an opportunity to introduce your brand story, highlight your value proposition, and set expectations for future communication. Think of your welcome email as a digital handshake. You're introducing yourself, telling them what you're all about, and showing them what they can expect from you. But just like a real handshake, it needs to be genuine and engaging. Don't just send a generic welcome aboard. Email, personalize it. Use their name, mention their interests, and segment your welcome emails based on their behavior. For example, someone who signed up for a free trial needs different information than someone who downloaded a white paper. Make sure your welcome email is visually appealing too. Use your brand colors, add some high-quality images, and keep the design clean and easy to read. Remember, you only have a few seconds to capture their attention. Your call to action is crucial. What do you want them to do next? Visit your website? Download a resource? Make sure your call to action is clear, concise, and easy to find. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, Neil, but how do I actually automate my email marketing? Well, my friends, that's where marketing automation platforms come in. These platforms are your secret weapon for streamlining your email marketing efforts. They provide you with the tools and features you need to automate your campaigns, segment your list, personalize your messages, and track your results. There are a ton of great platforms out there, but some of the most popular ones include HubSpot, Marketo, Pardot, and Infusionsoft. Each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to do your research and choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Don't be intimidated by these platforms. Most of them offer user-friendly interfaces and drag-and-drop functionality, so you don't need to be a tech whiz to use them. And if you do get stuck, there are plenty of resources available online, including tutorials, blog posts, and even dedicated support teams. The key is to find a platform that offers the features you need, integrates well with your existing tools, and fits within your budget. Don't be afraid to try out a few different platforms before making a decision. Most of them offer free trials, so you can test, drive them, and see which one you like best. We've talked about the importance of personalization, but how do you actually do it effectively? The answer lies in segmenting your email list. Segmentation is the process of dividing your email list into smaller, more targeted groups based on shared characteristics. This could be anything from demographics like age and location to behavior like past purchases and website activity. By segmenting your list, you can ensure that you're sending the right message to the right people at the right time. Instead of blasting your entire list with generic emails, you can tailor your messages to each segment's specific needs and interests. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're an e-commerce store that sells clothing. Instead of sending the same email promoting your latest sale to your entire list, you can segment your list by gender and send men's clothing promotions to men and women's clothing promotions to women. Segmentation helps you improve your open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. It shows your subscribers that you understand their needs and that you're not just blasting them with irrelevant content. Remember, people are more likely to engage with emails that are relevant to them. Segmentation is crucial for delivering that relevance and maximizing the effectiveness of your email marketing campaigns. Now, before we wrap things up, I want to address one important point: over-automating. While automation is a powerful tool, it's important to use it wisely. Over-automating your email marketing can lead to a lack of personal touch and decreased engagement. If your subscribers feel like they're just interacting with a robot, they're less likely to open your emails, click your links, or make a purchase. The key is to strike a balance between automation and personalization. Use automation to streamline your processes and deliver timely messages, but don't forget to inject your brand personality and human touch into your emails. For example, you can automate your welcome email sequence, but personalize each email with the subscriber's name and interests. You can also use automation to send out birthday emails or special occasion promotions, but make sure these emails feel genuine and heartfelt. Remember, your subscribers are people, not just email addresses. Treat them like human beings and they'll be more likely to become loyal customers. Don't be afraid to experiment with different levels of automation to find what works best for your audience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through email marketing automation. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the benefits of automation to the importance of segmentation and personalization. Remember, email marketing automation isn't about replacing human interaction, it's about enhancing it. By automating your processes, you free up time and resources to focus on building stronger relationships with your audience. Implement these strategies to enhance your campaigns and watch your business thrive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.